Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where the arrival of a cold front at the start of the week has made it feel as if autumn has arrived a few days early. Now that same front is followed by a ridging high, which brings in the possibility of morning light rain or drizzle over the southern part of South Africa, and it results in windy conditions over the southern and southeastern interior. Now that same system brings in cloudy, wet and cool weather over the eastern part of South Africa, but we're still expecting a few thundershowers over the northeastern part of the country in the afternoon, and then fine and dry weather prevails for the Northern Cape, with warmer weather expected over the western parts. Here's our rainfall probability map showing that morning rain over the southern part of South Africa, with a 60% chance of rain and showers along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head towards the Mpumalanga lowveld, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers over the northeastern interior. On our temperature map, you'll see that cooler weather due to the cloud and rain, especially for the Eastern Cape. 18 degrees for Bishu, 22 along the Eastern Cape coast, with maximums in the mid-20s along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. 32 degrees as we head into Kimberley, just shy of 30 for Cape Town, Bloemfontein and Polokwane. 31 as we head into Pretoria, with Mahikeng and Vredendal heading into the mid-30s. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected on Tuesday, other than for Lambert's Bay, where we're expecting fresh winds. Along the west coast, we're forecasting a 3-metre southwesterly swell. In the southwest, fresh winds are forecast for the Cape Town Atlantic side, with strong winds as we head towards False Bay, with a strong easterly wind for Cape Agulhas and Hermanus, both with poor beach conditions. In the southwest, we'll see a 3.5-metre southwesterly swell. Now we're forecasting some light morning rain or drizzle over the southern part of South Africa, with a strong easterly wind for Mossel Bay, more of an east-southeasterly wind as we head towards Jeffreys Bay, Port Elizabeth and Plettenberg Bay, with wind speeds of between 25 and 30 kilometres per hour. Along the south coast, we'll see a 3-metre swell. Along the east coast, cloudy and wet weather is forecast, so poor beach conditions on Tuesday, with a moderate southerly wind for Durban and the Wild Coast, and more of a southeast as we head towards East London. Along the east coast, we'll see a 2-metre swell, with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.